Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, cheers to you guys and cheers to Boxycharm. So this I've been drinking on a previous video. You will be seeing it. It's a carbonate. I will post it up there for you guys, a link so you can check it out. So apparently something exciting happened to somebody. I was like, no way, Boxycharm made a mistake, and I found out through Yari G. She's here on YouTube. I was watching her video, and then apparently there's an accidental October box variation that has been released. It was released by accident because instead of putting a September card in one of the subscribers instead of putting a September card in one of the Charmers box, somebody put an October card, and I will post it right here for you guys to see. So the theme for October, we already know, is gonna be candy shop. You know, it fits in with all the Halloween fall things type of stuff, and the variation is gonna be number 24. So if you happen to receive number 24, come back here to this video and let me know, babes. Let me know. So let's get into the products that were in said box. Anyway, guys, let's get into all the spoilers that happened by accident. I'm excited. It's a full variation, like a full box. We even got the variation number. This is my baby. Yeah, Sprite Zazu. She wanted to be held. Anyway, the first item that they said was in there is the Ciate London Editor Palette. I don't know if you guys remember, about 2 months ago we received that, but I don't think all Charmers will be receiving the Ciate London palette. I think it's for someone that's new. Like if you just subscribe to Boxycharm, you will receive the Ciate London palette. I also have that one, and it retails for $32. Can you guys believe this? Okay, and then that's one of the spoilers that was in the October box, is the Dose of Color Meet Your Hue concealer. That was also in the box, and that retails for $28. I was like, Boxycharm, how'd you make that mistake? But it's whatever. Not judging at all. And the other product that was in there is the Luxie Wonder Luxe brush set. It's like a 5-piece brush set. I will post pictures of them right here so you guys can see, and that retails for $40. That's a lot of money for brush set, if you ask me. But anyway, you guys, what are you guys thinking so far? Like, how did Team Boxy mix it? She went up and down. How did Team Boxycharm make this mistake of literally letting us know the whole tea? That's one variation of many variation, but that's variation number 24. Let's get to the next one. We have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted, it's a word, I'll put it right here for you guys to see, lip butter. It's like a lip moisturizer that retails for $20. I was like, oh my god, a full variation for October, and we already know it. Crazy. And the last product that was in the box, as you guys know, in the base box there's only 5 products. So the last product is the Sponge Lay Body Wash Infused Buffer. That retails, I think like $20. She keep going up and down. But yes, you guys, that's the spoiler for a whole variation of the October base box for Boxycharm, and I can't wait. I'm like excited. Yes, let's go Boxy. That was me. I was just here for it. I can't wait to get my hands on those boxes. To be honest with you guys, I'm more excited for the base box than the premium box. The premium box, the choices were so lacking. I was just like, I'm not here here for it. I was just like not here for it. If you guys are interested in this eye look, I do have a video for it, so you can check the link up here and subscribe to my channel so you'll be known when I post that video. I haven't posted yet, but I will put a link in this video in the card so you guys can check it out. But yes, can you believe Boxycharm literally slipped up and let us have a whole variation ahead of time? Like, it was released this week. I was just like, what? And Yari was like, she texted Joe, and Joe was like, yeah, it is. So you know, this is the tea. This is the real tea. But anyway, you guys, I love you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys on the next one. I have so many good things planned for you guys. I love you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye. I'm just gonna take a little sip of drink. Y'all need to go. Are you going? Well, if you're not going, check out another video. I'm just drinking some Cabernet, so check out another video. Since you're sitting here looking at me, check out another video. Oh, hey, check out another video. Anyway, guys, don't forget, share my videos with your friends and family. I will see you on the next one. Mwah.